Alright guys, so in this video, we're going to discuss how to change your primary care physician with United Healthcare. So, first, of course, you just need to log into your account at the United Healthcare member website. This is actually what the website looks like. You can go ahead and sign in. You can also use their app. Alright, go ahead and do that. On the home page, you want to select Find a Doctor. Then, you want to select Search for Doctors and Hospitals. Just go ahead and choose your state. Then go ahead and click on Navigate. And now you can narrow your search by zip code, by name, language, gender, right? And once you choose the PCP you actually want, you can click on View Enrollment Information. Then write down all the physician's information, including the doctor's address and ID number. We find it circled, and you'll need to provide this information on the enrollment form. Okay, and remember these changes can only be made once a month and are effective the first of the following month. Just keep this in mind, and change requests can be submitted on or before the 31st of the month, and you can go ahead and do that. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.